Hello everyone, I'm Yesenia Alcocer with Edinburgh CISC Media. We're here at the Career and Technical Education Center where some students are learning how to weld in person. Let's check it out.
To have the class in person, I'm pretty excited for the students. I know some of them, especially the ones that are coming, have been wanting to come all year long, and they really wanted to get in the shop and do hands-on. We try to teach them a lot of as many job skills as we can so they can get work either in the welding field or construction or whatever else they decide to go into. We do have all processes, so to use the common terms like stick welding, MIG, and TIG, we do offer available, and we also can and do teach the students when we have time to do oxyacetylene welding as well.
It feels great now that we're back in campus because we can do the things we used to do before everything happened, and I feel that when a teacher explains stuff in person, it's better than staring at the screen. Welding will benefit in my future because I'm planning having my own little shop later on in my life. I'm planning to do a lot of projects. My last project that I took to the lifestyle show was a picnic table, and it was a total success. I sold it to one of my teachers back at my campus, and I really enjoyed it. My favorite thing about this class is that I can learn new things every day. Like today, we just learned how to use the MIG.
It feels good because I didn't really like the online. It was really confusing and tricky. I don't like watching videos about welding. I like doing it. I like being there in person and doing my welds. I love doing it. It's really relaxing. My dad, he can't weld anymore because he has a heart pacemaker, and he told me that he wanted me to be in welding. So I was like, okay, I'll do it for you then. I'll get my license and go to welding school, and I'll go to college also and get a career in welding. Working in a factory or something, just making like car parts, like frames. That's what I see myself doing. Or if not, I really want to do is civil engineering. That's also one thing I want to do.
Students say they're excited to be in class learning. Reporting for Edinburgh CISC, your district of choice, I'm Yesenia Alcocer.